Okay, so now I'm recording, but I don't record what is on the blackboard, so it's not so good. Okay, which was very weird that many of you didn't understand the concept of scalar product. Where I am? Here. So you have two vectors. Then the scalar product means you multiply the components, then add together. Yes, that's it, nothing else. However, the vectorial product is something different. It's a different thing. I don't know. So it's in Python. It's operator overload. You learn Python with Zara. You learned class and objects. And there is this operator overload. For example, the plus operation, there is something. You can do a class like vector, and then you can overload the plus operation. You can also overload other operations. But here, this multiplication is a scalar. This is a vectorial. Actually, one thing or a second. Morning. Hello. Okay, this is a class. The négyes vector means for vector or relativistic vector or something like this. It has four private in Python components x, y, z, w. You can set the values, and then here there are some operation. For example, here there is an addition. The addition, oh sorry, you cannot read this. Yeah, so we switch to a Python class right now. So addition is this is the add. This add is an overload, and this overload means the add. The addition is done a different way. If you have subtraction, that's also a different way, and here this is it. This is the scalar product. But for a vector which has 4 components and which is in 4D and not in 3D. That was the ID for my Python class on Friday for the Hungarians. So it's something different than usual. I hope it's understandable. They are related. Okay. Let's go back. Yes. No. No, here. I hope so. No, the next one was. Okay, this is it. So for this, excellent. So for this operation, the result is a vector. For that operation, the result is a scalar. So that's scalar product, that's vector product. And it happened that you had just so here, this means this, like in the operation overload. So if you have subtract something, then do it for the elements. It is boring, many of you, because you know it very well, but some of you didn't or don't. So here, okay, that's simple. We have a triplet. It means that is so. Interesting. So first vectorial product and then scalar product. And the result of a triplet or mixed product is a number. First you have to calculate the vector and then you do a scalar product. I thought that's simple, but it seems to be I could not explain well. For the next step, so the replacement or third exam, I gave you task. I will fix it. Just I need more time to write them down, and I also do something else, not only this teaching. But I will do it, and you can prepare. But if you check results, then I think it helps. And you also can ask me anytime if you don't understand anything. So the common interest is that you pass. I don't want to see you next year in this class. I want to see you in another class next semester and other courses, all of you. But I think you can do it, that even who failed had a quite good result. There were some miscalculation, that's okay. I'm also not perfect. You correct my mistakes. And but for example, for the Hungarians, they cannot calculate with one digit sign numbers. So 2 minus 2 is 2 plus 2. It is from the primary school for me, but not for them. I don't know what is going on. I spent 10 years outside the country. I don't know. So it's quite horrible what the government did the education. So it's quite horrible. Thank you very much. My daughters highly appreciated it. For me, it was not so good. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so half of the time. Okay, I switch the material, and if we have time, we will practice. Just one thing. This university is not a state university anymore since 2021. It's a foundation, but I think that trust is a better form. So the state made a foundation or a trust, gave some goods, buildings, and incomes, and in theory it's independent. But the European Union doesn't like this for some reason. So the teachers, professors, and the university, so we cannot apply for European Union funds. That's a big problem because the salaries are very low here, and also the funds are very low here. So usually a successful scientist has a salary from the state and some extension from a European Union project. I have a second job. I have two full-time jobs. This one, and some at the Wigner Research Institute for Physics. It's in Budapest, in Csillebérc, between the mountains. The old name is Center Institute of Physics, KFKI. There are many particle physicists, theoretists, physicists, quantum informatics, we also did space physics. I did space physics there, and I also do. This institute belonged to the Hungarian Academy of Sciences. Who came from a post-Soviet country knows very well there are universities and there is an independent structure of networks. That's the remaining of this independent networks. Now, in this week, they changed the form and made a trust from this network. And it means that my institute will be expelled from EU funds and everything. Why is it important? You cannot apply from this university for Erasmus because the university is out of Erasmus. Do you know what is Erasmus?
Yeah.
Of course, you know very well. If some of you want to go physicist or learn chemist and want to go and learn or work in a research institute, there are everywhere in the country. In Debrecen, Szeged, here there are these institutes. Then they will have no money to employ you, or the salary will be very low. This is why is it important, and I just mention it. You don't read, I guess, the Hungarian news. Yeah, and this is the lovely activity of me instead of teaching and doing research and something else. Okay, I didn't tell you anything about the system of linear equations. It was very interesting that who could not calculate properly the vectors and the determinants could fix these equations. That's great. Okay, very good. Sometimes there were some mistake, but that's okay. That was okay. This independent vectors was also good. It's okay. There was some trouble that was on my side because I didn't give you a proper. I didn't correct so the exercises. Actually, there were some mistakes in it. Usually, I gave it my English text to my wife, but I don't have wife anymore. But the Grammarly and the Chat GPT can correct this stuff. So I hope next time there won't be mistake in the exercises. Yes. Also, you calculated the last one. Okay, we can discuss this later. Okay, good. So there will be three. This and 3 chapters. The last one will be the eigenvalues. Eigenvalues. You will understand what is it. It's a very interesting thing. If you are interested in physics, most of you are IT guys, so or chemistry. I will explain this then when we will talk about the eigenvalues and the eigenfunctions, eigenvectors. That's quite interesting. Okay, so let's do this. We have 2 vector spaces. Yes, and we don't have sheet. But it's not better identify if you don't see anything. So we have 2 vector spaces. We call the function linear mapping if for all A and B vectors we have this additive feature, and for an A vector and a lambda scalar we have this homogeneous feature. You know very well. Oh yes, next semester I will teach linear algebra, an advanced version in English, and also Perhaps we will meet. I will teach BS in chemistry students. Doesn't matter. So we have this function. It's called linear mapping. It has two features: this additive and homogeneous. You have seen it before. These features. This is the linearity. If you have a mapping, and the mapping is this R at n and R at m, this is a multiplication, the Descartes or inner multiplication of the real numbers. It's not triplets, n-let and m-let or whatever. Then, yes? Then this mapping is linear if and only if there is a matrix n times n that fulfill this equation. We will fix some. We will have exercise for this. Okay. If you have a vector space and there is a mapping which is from that vector space for the same vector space, then it's a linear transformation. And the set of all linear transformations on the V vector space is set by this TV. If you have a mapping from the vector space to the real numbers, we call that linear form. Okay. You have a mapping that's called linear form if it's linear in both arguments. So you have the addition, you have the homogeneous feature for the first and for the second parameter or argument, whatever you want to say. If you have a mapping and it is a bilinear form, if and only if for a certain basis, if there exists a unique set of coefficients which says this one. I will give you a task and explain this later. Okay, there is a bilinear form L, and it is symmetric if for the arguments you can change the arguments in the you can change the arguments. If you have a symmetric bilinear form, this function is called a quadratic form. There is a feature that's called positive definite, which means if the vector is not zero, a null vector, then we have this feature. So it's with matrices, it's more understandable. You also can define the semi-definition and the negative semi-definite features. Symmetric bilinear form whose associated quadratic form is positive definite is called an inner product. The scalar product is an inner product in the space of errant free in vector spaces that we call vector space. Okay, there is a so-called isomorphist if this mapping is bijective. And two vector spaces are isomorphic if and only if their dimensions are equivalent. So now you know this, heard this. There will be some task with this. Okay. So you are here, and it's quite comfortable that you are here, and the practical course and the lecture is for the same people. That makes my business easier a little bit, because what we should do is to learn to fix matrix equations. Okay. That was the last, this 5 that we did on the last practice. So let's continue with this. That will be interesting. Okay. Oh. It's good if you see what is good with us. Okay, so that's simple. This is A matrix, this is X matrix, and this is the matrix. I multiply this from left with the inverse matrix. That will be the equal matrix. So the X matrix is this A invert multiplied B. Question. So what is it? Where the books are on Teams, there is an example for the second test. So if you check, it was written in 2019. If you check it, it is in Hungarian, yeah. Sorry. So if you check it, what I do is prepare you directly for the second test. That's why I do this matrix equation. So, what I could do is an inversion. Okay, I calculate the subdeterminant. That's quite easy, actually. Wait. Yes. Yes. Okay, so these are the subdeterminant. That's very weird. Do the transpose, and also I need to change the signs. That's weird. So this should be the invert. That's suspicious. So let's check. Ow. Okay, it was suspicious, but I just don't trust myself. Because that's good. So this one is really the invert. So it means the X matrix is
the bottom right one is
good, thanks. Hey. Thanks. Volt arra esély, hogy esetleg elveszted eszméletét ZH-írás közben? Nem?
Odáig, hogyha odáig hagyva, akkor már jóval előtte tudom.
Tessék?
Hogyha olyan van, akkor már jóval előtte tudnám.
Aha.
Szóval annak nagyon hosszú, nagyon hosszú képzelőzik annak, hogy odáig eljussak. Szóval olyan valószínűleg nem tudjuk soha.
Oké. Többieknek szólt, vagy...
Nagyjából mindenki.
Oké. Csak ilyen elnézést.
Nem hittem volna, hogy történt most.
Okay, so okay, this is a very weird result, but that's a result. So the X matrix is supposed to be this one. I'm still not very confident. Means Okay, we good. I didn't make a mistake. Do you see what I have done? I often say, study your teacher, your professor, how his brain is working. What I had done, I was not confident what I can do, so I had to check. First, this is not part of the task. I just check whether the invert version of the A is good. Then I also got ugly numbers here, so I was not sure that this is good. So I also checked the result to substitute the X matrix to the original equation. So this is a check. You can do it during the test if you are enough fast. The test was very weird. You wrote the test, and suddenly at the end, an older female student showed up here and told me the book is reserved. It's a joke. This is what I saw. So usually I let you to write if it's necessary for 2 hours or 3 hours to fix your calculation. But there was a reservation just after the test for a conference. So I didn't understand what is going on. So at 5:30, no one comes and takes their own. The next time, if we are not kicked out from the room, you can write 2 hours if you want. For the third exam, we can stay here until they close the building. Just please pass. Okay, because I need a long holiday. So you yeah, it's a joke, more or less. Yeah. Oh yes, great. I really like it. Sorry? Great. Okay, we have 10 minutes. Would you try to fix the second equation? Oh, sometimes that's not easy. It's not the same. Great. Okay, then don't try to fix it. Solve it. It's not the same. But it's easy to find out what is the solution. So this is A, this is B, this is C matrix. So A, so I have to multiply from the left with this and multiply from the right with this. Then okay, and this is what we find. So we have to do the inversion of this matrix and that matrix. The time is not enough for this, so I suggest the following. Now we have 10 minutes. If someone wants to check the test, just come and we can discuss it. I will continue this tomorrow at noon. Okay? So please come if you have any reclamation or want to see your test.
Végre sikerült elérni a betörgést itt Pécsen, szóval most már rendesen be van állítva megint minden inzulinnal, stb. Szóval nem kéne, hogy megint megtörténjen, most már egy ideje jó értékben vannak folyamatosan, szóval nagyon nem fog megint megtörténni valószínűleg.
Ugye megijesztett, tehát azért így, hogy ilyeneket van. Just a moment. Yes, so what is your... Okay. Oh, you can find it also. What happens with your hand?
I have a very close vein, so my veins are weak, so I have to compress it.
Okay, I understand.
Elnézést, hogy nem szóltam, csak tényleg nem hittem, hogy valaha így elő fog jönni, mert pont azon az egy héten volt az, hogy inzulinom nem volt másra állítva, és egyszerűen.
Ez durva, tehát ugye nem tudom, én csak azt tudom, hogy ismerőseim haltak meg, tehát így, tehát hogy lement a... Jó, itt van, tehát ezen nincs gond, tehát észrevették volna, hogy olyan baj van, csak ez megrémültem, amikor mondta. More or less it's in alphabet. No, it's not in alphabet actually, not at all. The Hungarian tests are in alphabet. You got the maximum points? But something close?
I don't know, as
Oh?
professor. Also, don't take pictures of mine, because it's you go to the teacher all day, no, I am writing my program today.
Of course, you cannot keep it, so I need them back. Okay, so what did you do here, for example? Just let me check. Yeah, here you have mistake in the sign. You didn't do nothing. Here you didn't do anything with these determinants. Okay, here that's you start to fix the equation, but you didn't finish it.
Yeah, I finished.
So where are sorry, the results are wrong. So you did some miscalculation. It's something half minus half. So it's not the correct result.
Yeah, what about this one?
And this one here. So I don't know what you do, but wait, I think for this I give you a maximum point or something like this. For only this one. Just a moment.
And what about the fifth one also?
Wait.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes, so for this task, only this task, you got the maximum point. Just I didn't got here. Yeah, but this is not good. So you don't need to fix. You have to prove that it's subspace. So check the solutions that I upload, and it will.
Just proved it, and it's in a vector, so it's in subspace.
No. You should take vectors.
Yeah, I had find the vectors, and that's why I just.
Wait. What you had done? So this is one vector.
If I get 3-4 marks, I will be passed. You haven't done anything for it.
Yes.
But no mark is.
Okay, so this is not full. Yeah, then I misunderstood. So this is half. So I can give you some points for this, but not so much. It won't be enough. But I will take this.
If I get 4 points, I will get pass.
Yes, but you will not get 4 points for this. Because the scalar multiplication is not written here, because this is the other stuff. And some others, yes. You have to check how we fix this in class.
We need to prove subset.
Yes, but it has two conditions.
Under the condition.
One is the addition, and the other is the homogeneity. So this multiply the vector with the scalar, and you didn't do anything with this. But don't worry, this is
under
not.
the condition.
Sorry.
That's why I just write like that.
This is one condition from two. But don't worry, so I take this, I will add you more point, and I tried to hunt more, but I didn't find anything, so that was the problem. Okay, next one.
Can I get one more here? Can I pass? It's 7. One. One here.
Wait.
Which is the pass mark?
I am at 37.
20.
30 then. No,
37.
30, no.
Here.
34.
No.
I'm 34. In
34.
Down. Yeah.
That's here. Rahman, that's great name actually.
Thank you.
There's a spectroscopy, Rahman. Yes. So what was this here? Okay, let me see.
Number 6.
Okay. So you number 6. Blah 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 blah.
My handwriting is not good.
How much is the pass mark?
So the problem is the following: you wrote what to do, but you didn't do. You should have fixed this equation, system of equations.
Okay.
Okay, let's meditate about this. Okay, but you need 3 points to pass, not 2. So that's too much.
Okay.
But this is not bad. So if you check this, do it, then you will pass next time. And you should not aim the pass. You should aim the average. Okay, because this is satisfactory. Are these names good? This excellent, good, satisfactory, and doesn't matter. So okay. So you have any question?
Thank you.
No, I don't.
You're welcome.
I actually have one. My friend Lera couldn't come today. Can I take a photo of her work for her?
Yes, you can. Okay, you.
Okay, I just made a mistake, so can I get a new number from there? There is less.
Okay, so here.
Like 2 question mark, you don't get any number. I'm 40.
40.
43 years old.
43. 43?
Yes.
Yeah, here.
Yes, sir.
You're here 44, yes. Okay. So you. Yeah, but you pass.
Yeah, I passed that, sir. I just need 4 marks because I think I will get it. Because
okay, let's check
the
what's
past
this.
question I just made a mistake there.
Yeah, you made a mistake. That's a sign mistake, and it made your calculation wrong. So I thought no one will do any mistake in this. Yes, here also you had it's not really so the Yeah, so he also didn't write properly the original task. That's you had half point, and I cannot go give you half point, so I gave you 0 and 1.
Okay, Professor.
Okay, and then
What about this app one, sir? Is it okay or not?
no,
Because I just
no, it's not cross product. So it's the condition of perpendicularity is you have the vector, you have the other vector, and you do a scalar product, and then it's 0. But there is something else. If you just look in this vector B, that's very simple.
Yes.
You don't almost everyone calculated here, but you should not calculate anything. Imagine this. So this is B,
Yeah.
and it's 0 in x direction.
Yes.
It's something in y
Yes.
and something in z.
Z.
So it is in the yz plane.
YZ, yes.
So anything that goes to x is perpendicular.
Yes, sir.
That's the simplest. So to write 1, 0, 0, that's good. 3, 0, 0, good. Almost everyone find this minus 3 1 and 0, 1, 3 solution. That's good, but you don't need to calculate anything. Just use your brain a little bit.
Okay.
In this 1f, it's very simple. So you imagine what is the task. There is a vector which is in the yz plane, and I ask you to give a perpendicular vector. You can do the scalar product. That's okay, nice. Find something, fix in the equation. But if it's something is in this plane, and I find something in perpendicular, then the simplest just give a vector in the perpendicular, which is parallel with the perpendicular axis. That's very simple. So I thought you will waste 10 seconds for this. Okay, what else? It's yeah, I think there is a wrong calculation here. Yes, and this was good. That was very interesting. That's this angle. It's not a simple task, but most of you did good. The only thing that was funny that you didn't stop fixing the equation here or here. It's and many people calculated the angle, but I told you that's enough. That's okay. So you calculated well A. You didn't calculate it well. You calculated well the B, and for the C, it's almost good. Just you made somewhere a mistake. Nothing else. That's good. That's good. That's maximum point. But you didn't continue with the 3B. But that's good. So you could have done the 3B. Here you wrote. You wrote what to fix, but you didn't fix. And that's it. So I gave the maximum point that I can give you. But don't worry. So you need
4 fine.
4 fine for that one. Come and write again. Practice.
Yes,
You will need
I
practice.
But I came here late, arrived late. That's why I don't have.
I know, but
Yes.
you will have opportunity to repeat this test.
Okay, so is there any problem if there is low? I don't think so, but
So if if you wrote worst test, don't worry. I will consider this one.
okay, Professor. Thank
Will
you.
you allow practice for the second test?
I will give you something. Yes.
But this week or later? Or so we can start practicing.
Yeah. I don't promise anything. I think next week we can do it. If everything goes well, then this practice tomorrow we will finish these matrix operations, and then I can give you practice for this, and I will give you practice for the others, the eigenvalues and anything. You can start something. The test. You know, if you go to the books, to the teams, there are notes, e-books, everything. There are 2 tests. You take the second. Sorry, it is in Hungarian, but with ChatGPT or Google Translator, you can translate and you can fix that one. Okay.
So the topics for the second text
is the same. We didn't expect you to solve the quantum gravity or get a Fields medal or something like this. Just do what is satisfactory, so it's a minimum level. Okay, yes, you, sir.
Here, this question is a subset. Isn't this how?
This was good. Okay, that was very interesting. This is not subset. This is wrong. But you fixed it. You have to write in a new basis. You did it. But could you please explain how did you get this this result? Because the right result is half.
Maybe I substituted something.
Yes. So that's why I subtract 1 point. Otherwise, it's good. Everything is good.
Isn't it out of 8?
The maximum is 8. You got 7.
Oh, okay. And this question, I know I did.
Yeah, you changed the order.
I changed the row.
Yes, the rows. That's the problem.
So I got 0 on it.
Yes. Let me check.
But I did the steps right.
Yeah, but you fixed the wrong equation, so that's the problem. Here. Yeah, but you got good. Yeah, you want excellent. You can rewrite this. So this actually, what was it? Is okay. Yes. Yeah. So you should
be a 0. I did the steps.
But if you okay, I give you 1 point or 2 points or anything. It's still the same. Let's check. So if you give you 2, what happened? Oh, why is this so slow?
It's junk.
Why? Still good. So if I give you free
So it has to be a 4. I mean, I know I did. I switched the rows and the columns wrong.
I will meditate about this, okay?
Okay.
Not now.
Thank you.
Have you thought
Yeah.
about exam dates?
Exams.
Exam dates on the exam week.
This is not the way. There will be a light from the heaven, and then not stone plates, but the dates will appear.
Okay.
I have no clue when the exams there. When I learned physics at the Ötös University, we came together, the students, and suggested the dates for the exam. because it was an elite class. But here and the Milton University and other university, they told us when we will come. I mean, told to you and told to me, and then I had to show up and provide everything.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know anything. It's based on the what's the name? The rooms, the places, and everything. Thank you for this stuff. My daughters, they like to do it and draw it with the open board and everything.
I saw the drawing.
Yeah. But to me, that's not didn't help.
Oh, it's fine. I gave it to you because of this. Because if you first got your graphic tablet from the faculty and you didn't like that, it will be a problem.
They will not do anything. The money is very low here, really low. So when university was changed to a trust, they promised them, because I work here since August. Oh, everything will be nice. It's canon, it's honey and gold and everything, and manna will fail from the sky. Nothing. It's almost the same. They got some pay rise. It's still miserable, the salaries, for some reason, and there is not so much money. But this place is much better than I work in Budapest, because there the management is quite horrible. But not so long. They will send away because of this change, because that will be a trust again, or not again, also test. That's not good. I don't know the other places, but so many changes are here, and all changes makes the system worse. That's the situation. Yeah. Okay. So that one. Yes. Okay, I just put, because I have to meditate about that. Yeah. Thank you actually for that stuff. Really, they start right, Santa Claus and Halloween and everything. So it's they liked it.
Yeah, I'm glad.
Yes, this was that's something I have to meditate too. Yeah.
I mostly use this thing if I want to help someone with chemistry or other things that are usually to be drawn, not to print. You can't really print the benzyl rings.
Oh, I